Alright, hello viewers and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be making Suji halwa, but milk Suji halwa. Okay, so we've got our Semolina course here, which is what we're going to be using. We've got our double whole milk. We've got our little plastic tub here. Okay, so let's start, and this is going to be absolutely delicious. So let's start. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So that's 1 cup of semolina, okay? And we normally use the East End semolina over here, which is a big packet which you can buy. We are going to be using whole milk. So you can always use semi-skimmed milk if you want. You can also use soya milk if you prefer. Please remember that if you do have a milk allergy, don't use whole milk. You can always use substitute milk. So we've got 1 cup of whole milk, which is going to go in the semolina, okay, and then we've got another cup of milk that's going to go in the semolina. And what the milk is going to do is make the semolina nice and soft and give it a beautiful taste. Okay, so we're just going to mix this, and we will mix it with a spoon, and then we will leave this to soak for about minimum 30 minutes, okay? Minimum 30 minutes, we will leave this to soak, okay? And then we will start making the halwa. And it's going to be a very simple, very easy, absolutely delicious halwa, milk halwa dessert. And please join us after 30 minutes once this has been left to soak. Okay viewers, welcome back. So we've left, this is a semolina milk Suji halwa. We've left this to soak for over 30 minutes and now it's ready to be made. So in our pan or a pot, doesn't matter which, we have put 1 big spoon of butter ghee. So you can use butter ghee, you can use butter, you can use oil, but we are using, just to show you, we are using this butter ghee, which is very healthier, an alternative to butter. This is really delicious, very tasty, and it has absolutely beautiful smell. Okay, so we've put in one spoon and allow that to melt. Now it's up to you how much butter you want to put. If you want it very buttery, put 2 or more. If you want it a little bit, then you can just put 1. Okay, so we've put 2 spoons and we're going to allow that just to melt on low heat. We've put cardamom, which is green lychee. So we've crushed it and we've put green lychee in, which will give it a really nice flavour and a really nice taste and beautiful smell. Now this is going to be so simple. Next we're going to pour our mixture. So make sure you put this on low flame. You do not want the ghee to burn, okay? So keep it on low flame and allow it to melt. There we go. Okay, that's really warm. Next, very gently, if we look at it here, so see, it's very soft. There we go. It's ready to be mixed in, so very gently. Just put it in there. There we go. Beautiful. There we go, all mixed in. Okay. There we go, so you can just see the beautiful colour of it. There we go. Done. See how amazing that looks? Absolutely amazing. So now You can put a little bit of additional milk in it if you want. Now on medium flame, just stir this gently, okay? So just stir it on medium flame. There we go. Amazing. So keep stirring because you do not want the mixture to get burnt at the bottom of the pan, okay? So keep stirring until the milk becomes dry, okay? Medium flame, keep stirring until the milk becomes dry. You do not want the mixture to stick to the bottom of the pan. So you can see here that it's already drying up. There you go, see, beautiful. And you want it like golden, crispy golden colour, okay? You don't want it to burn, but you want it like golden colour. There you go, look how amazing that looks. Okay, so after about 15 minutes of mixing this together, this is how it's turned out, okay? So the milk has dried, and now we're going to put 1 cup of white sugar, okay? So put 1 cup of white sugar after the milk has dried, because what the sugar is going to do is it's going to blend the semolina, the Suji together, okay, like this. Now you carry on mixing. So carry on. It is a bit of a hard work, and it does require a bit of hand strength because you're having to keep mixing it. But carry on mixing it until it becomes very, very thick. So after 15 minutes, 20 minutes of blending it, you can see the changes in it. Now, next we're going to be putting in raisins and coconut, okay? So a handful of raisins and coconut mixed. You can put as much as you want, really. So it's like fresh coconuts and raisins, washed, and then put them in. Now just blend it all together, and in another 5 minutes it would be ready, okay? So you can already see, you might see or you might not, but it's gone like light golden. It's gone light golden, so another 5 minutes and then it will be ready.
Ready to serve.
Right guys, this is the final look of this milk halwa. This is a final look. It's very, very hot. And now I am going to have a taste. Oh, I cannot wait. Right, Bismillah, let's have a taste. Let's see what this tastes like. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Mmm. Oh, wow. Mmm. Really, really nice. Soft, moist. Oh, I'm gonna have another one. Mmm. Very nice. Remember, if you want more sugar, you can put more sugar in, okay? I normally love to have cinnamon on it, so if you want cinnamon on it, that will give you another nice taste. So you can always sprinkle cinnamon onto the plate after you've made it, okay? So I hope you've enjoyed this. Do make it, do try it at home. Tell us what you think in the description box below. And we shall be with you very soon with another beautiful recipe. Okay, take care of yourself and Huda Hafiz.